whatever you want to call this. This is my thrift store haul of books. You guys know me. I absolutely love thrifting books. I have been crazy busy lately, so I haven't been thrifting for as many books, but when I get a chance, I like to check them out. I know I'm going to try to go to 2 thrift stores tomorrow, fingers crossed, but it is garage sale time in my area, so I'm watching people's garage sales to see like what they have for books, so you might have to see anything like that. But I do have a pile of books that I will be selling at my garage sale. I actually have like 10 of them so far, so I'm pretty excited for that. And I got more I gotta grab upstairs. So like, I'm selling some of my books that I wasn't a big fan of that I have read that I got. So yeah, and I will be possibly doing a garage sale video for you guys too. But anyways, you guys are not here to hear that. You guys are here to look at the books that we got. So my son actually brought this Goosebumps book home from school. Ben, where'd you get this Goosebumps book from?
I got it for free.
From where?
School.
Oh, so he got this one for free from school. Number one, it's Hammerhead. It's called Deep Trouble. I want him to get into this. He's got a little bit of a reading delay, but I'm hoping when he starts reading again, or when he gets to get good, I'm hoping he likes this. He's obsessed with sharks, and I think Goosebumps is right up his alley. So this is a book that he got for school for free, so we got that. We ended up going to a St. Vinny's, and my daughter found this one. I don't know why we got pieces of paper. This is a different haul. So we ended up going to St. Vinny's one day, and I ended up getting this book called Drama. It is like a comic, you know, one of those, I don't even know what you call them. But I ended up getting my daughter a Smile book when I went to the library book sale a couple months ago. And I thought this would be a good little series to have. I've been really into like the comic stuff. I thought she would enjoy it. So we got this for just 99 cents. 99 cents. I ended up grabbing this one time before and I did not realize, but it was a Hispanic book. This one's actually English. But I'm like, yeah. So 99 cents. Can't go wrong with that. Then I found this book. I found The Stopover. This is a by T.L. Swan. It's the Mile High Club. I read this book 2 years ago, maybe almost 3 years ago. I love it. I think this is actually free on Amazon Prime. So if you guys have Amazon Prime, you can get the digital book of this. But I absolutely love it. I know it's also available through Kindle Unlimited, but this is the first one. There's actually 5. It's 4 main ones, and then there's a 5th one that kind of recaps. I have not read the 5th one yet, but I absolutely loved it. I mean, it's a long book. I got this for $2.29. But it's like, really, there's no page numbers in here? It's like almost 500 pages. 500 pages. This is about a guy and a girl. They meet on an airplane. And then, actually it's been a while. They meet on an airplane, they decide to have like a one-night stand with each other. And then she starts her new job, and this guy is her new boss, or CEO of the company. So it's a really good story. Love it, love it, love it if you guys were interested in that. So the next book we got is a 5 Nights at Freddy's book. I found this one. I says, Ben, do you want this? He's like, yeah. We actually have, what, 1 or 2 5 Nights at Freddy's, and he kind of likes these. Again, he's into getting into the comics or graphic novels. But this one, I don't know what number these are, but I got to make a list of, like, what one I have. But we got this one for just 99 cents. He's like, Mom, how much did that person pay at Target for this book? I mean, this book, like, it's barely been used. It's like, there's nothing there. But I thought, yeah, so I got to keep track. I have, like, a little Amazon wish list of all the books that I still need to get to finish certain series. Like, if I'm looking for certain series that I only want to get thrifting. So when I go to, like, the thrift store, I will look at that series. I'm like, okay, oh, got it. Got it. And then as I buy it, I delete it right away. So that's what I need to do with these books. But usually most of the time my kids are with me. But 99 cents. Can't go wrong. Then I found the Babysitter's Club this is a regular one. This is called Stacy's Mistake. This was number 14. I needed one of these. I have like maybe 6 more of these that I need to add. But it's, again, a whatever book, but 99 cents. 99 cents for these. I will get these for 99 cents. She has like about maybe 25 of these already now. I love it, including the little sister book. So I'm still on a hunt for that, but for 99 cents. I went to a bargain store. Now, you guys are not sure what a bargain store is. Bargain store is where they sell Amazon returns. I went a month or so ago and I hit the jackpot on books. This time I went, they didn't have as many books, but I still grabbed the ones that I thought would be interesting. But yeah, I'm really loving the bargain store because she only charges $1 of the thing. But now they closed up until for a couple more months because they have to relocate, but I can't go wrong. So I ended up getting some books that I got for $1. So the first book I got is Don't Let Me Fall. I can't remember what number book this is, but it's by Kelsey Ray. It looked really interesting. I Want a Girl I Can't Have. She's my tutor, my best friend's girlfriend, my kryptonite. She also looks really good in my t-shirt. So I'm like, this looks interesting. This looks very interesting. So got that one. I'll put it on the countertop. I'll close it in a second. So we got that one for $1. Then I found this one. This is an MM book. I've never heard of this author, but it's called Bad Wrong Things by C.P. Harris. And I thought, this looks pretty interesting, and I love MM books. So yeah, I got this for $1, and I love the way these books feel. Like, this has like a velvety feel to it, so I absolutely love it. One thing I love about these books is they were wrapped in like a plastic, so they were obviously never got delivered or something, but for $1, you can't go wrong with that. Okay, Charlotte has to tell you something.
It's almost my birthday.
Her birthday is tomorrow, and she will be...
And whoever likes Axolotl gets a like and subscribe.
Okay, and she will be 6 years old, so everybody wish happy birthday to Charlotte.
Happy birthday!
There you go. Okay, the next $1 book I got at the bargain store is called The Coppersmith Farmhouse by Devney Perry. I've yet to read their books. I have a couple of them that I have not read, but I just love the feel of this. So I'm like, it looks interesting. I just sometimes just grab these because they're for $1. And if I don't want to read them, I could just resell it for like a couple dollars and make a profit off of it. So, but these are books that I do want to read. Then I ended up finding The Dork Diaries. I got this at Goodwill for $1. Or no, I paid $1.99 for it. But I thought this book is like in pristine condition. It is number 13. I have to go through her books because I think we pretty much have 13. I think we have like pretty much all of them. Up until a certain number, but like this book I don't think ever got even opened. Like, it still makes a crack noise, but for $2 at Goodwill you cannot go wrong. Then I went to an Ollie's when we were in Chicago a couple weeks. We went coming home and we stopped at an Ollie's. Now when I went to Ollie's last time, I got a ton of books. I just loved it. This time their book selection was not the greatest, and I didn't get anything. I didn't really need anything, but my son ended up picking out FGTV. He used to watch this like crazy. He doesn't watch it as much anymore, but it is like a comic book and stuff. And what are you looking at?
Nothing.
Oh, but this was originally priced $23.99 and we got it for $2.99. Then we went to his Scholastic Book Fair the other day and they had this for like $23.99. So he could have got it for $23.99, but we got it for $2.99. So I think he's got, how many of these books you got, Ben?
I
think he's got like 4 of these books.
got every single one except for the other one.
Yeah. So $2.99, cannot go wrong. So those were the books that I got from just thrifting. You know what? The thing is, you never know what you're gonna find, and it's always good to have like a list of books that you're looking for. Like, I'm so mad. So I have I started reading the Hunger Games book the other day, and I finished it, and then I read Catching Fire, and then I was about to read Mockingjay, and I'm like, oh, wait a minute. I thought I owned Mockingjay, but apparently I did not. So I had to rent it or borrow it from the library, which I have been going to the library like 3 times a week because I get so many books. But like, I was so mad because I thought I owned Mockingjay and I did not. But I did finish Mockingjay 2 days ago, so that was great. But it's always good to make a list of books that you're on a hunt for. Like, if you really don't want to need them, like, you never know what you're gonna find. Just go to a store and look. You never know what you're gonna find. I have found some really, really good stuff, and I have found some crappy stuff. But I absolutely love, love, love the hunt. My library is having another book fair coming up in, or book sale coming up in like 3 weeks, and my husband wants to go on vacation. No, we're going to the book fair or book sale, and then we're going on vacation. So just saying. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye bye.